Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today Things 3 just got a very big update with some cool neat features that many people have been asking for and some features that no one knew thought would be possible in an app. So let's check out these new features in Things 3. So the first big feature is bullet list. So in bullet list, just by the name of it, is where you make a list, of course. But what's awesome about this feature is that it adds the next list or bullet automatically instead of having to add it manually like you used to do it before, which actually saves you a lot of time now, and it's just so much more useful than having to do it manually. So now this is what I'm talking about. So now if I want to add a next one, just click enter, and then there you go, you get to add the next list right there to your you get to add your next bullet to your list as well. So it works with, of course, the line dash. It works with the numbers with when you add a number and a dot, and then it works with a star. So now you get to make a list using these three types, and yeah, you just have to do that, and adds it automatically. And then of course when you want to stop making a list, you just click next, and then of course it'll add it, but then you click enter again, and it will delete the list, delete the bullet, so that you can just write whatever text you need to write with, which is now very useful, of course, because before manually, it took time. You had to go manually and add that dash, of course, if you want to make a list, but now it does it automatically, which is really fantastic. Next we have is Markdown. So many people have been asking for this feature on Things 3, and so as a user I don't really use Markdown, but this is now possible now on Things 3. You can now use Markdown. So if you want to use a Markdown highlight, you could just add the 2 colons in front and then 2 colons in the back, and you have a highlighted text right there. Or if you need to make a bold statement, you just add 2 stars and then 2 stars at the end, and then you make a bold heading, and then of course you get to add the pound, which allows you to make a heading as well. So it makes it really easy, of course, if you're writing long articles or something, you need something highlighted, of course. This is mostly used for a lot of times for developers who use a lot of Markdown as well, which is really nice. But also the typical user like me can also use Markdown as well if I'm writing a long article and I need stuff highlighted and the app doesn't support where I'm writing it, then now Markdown has it right here, so you could quickly add those features right there, which is really nice, of course, that developers have added that feature. And next we have is find in text. So find in text is just a simple, nice little feature that's not too big of a deal, but it's a big deal, of course, if you're writing long form articles on things here or long form notes. What it means pretty much find in text is that you can find whatever you're looking for. So let's say if I need to find something, if I want to find the word highlighted in all my notes, I just click here, okay, and then I just click on there we go, okay, and then all I gotta do is, oh damn it, it's not working. There we go. So all I gotta do is click this right here. Okay, let's bring this down. Click there, find in text, and then write the word highlight right there, and then search, and it will automatically highlight the word highlight, which is the text I was looking for, of course, for this example. And that's pretty much it. You could write whatever you want and it will automatically find it right there. So Markdown, search, and of course, because I don't have nothing in this article that finds it, so it's of course not highlighting it. But of course, if I were to go to the Markdown section and write Markdown, it will highlight all the words that have Markdown in it. And next and not least, we have Fractals. So Fractals is a cool small little feature that makes it much more easily in speed when it comes to editing your long form notes on Things 3. So they know, the developers behind Things 3 know that a lot of people use this app and use Things Cloud, of course, which makes it easy, of course, when you're using things on your iPhone and then things on the Mac. It quickly transports automatically, seamlessly, which is fantastic. And now it just got a huge improvement, of course, which allows you to add small little changes of text so that it does it speed without you having to even think twice about it. So that's pretty much it in this latest update of Things 3 in the big update that it got released. So now you have bullet list, you have Markdown, which is a big update. You also have finding text, and then Fractals for Things Cloud. So that's pretty much it in this update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Like the video, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.